In this video, I'll be going over prime factorization. Prime factorization is a way to express a number as product of its prime numbers. This means that we are essentially breaking down the numbers down into its prime factors. So, first example, we have 28. So, we'll go ahead and list 28 here. Then, we're going to branch it down. And 2 times 14 will work. Since 2 is a prime factor, so there's no further action needed on the 2. For 14, we can branch down further, breaking it down. 14 equals 2 times 7. So now we have 2, 2, and 7. These numbers are all prime factors, and that's how we know this is the final answer. And to write out the prime factorization, it would be 2 times 2 times 7 equals 28. So it would basically be 2 times 2 times 7, like this. Now for the second example, let's do the same thing. 50. We can go 5 and 10. And 5 is a prime factor, so we stop there. For 10, we can still break it down to 2 and 5. And now that we have them all in prime factors, so we'll circle them, multiply them together. So 5 times 2 times 5 equals 50. So this portion is the prime factor. Now for the last example, 92. So we'll write out 92. And we can see 2 and 46. Then 46 can again go 2 and 23. And since 2 are prime factor and 23 as well, so our prime factorization would be 2 times 2 times 23 equals 92. So these 3 examples of prime factorization, the answer for each are listing out as such. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.